Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you can see when our videos are posted. Today we're going to be doing a pearl glossy photo paper review for Koala paper. And here are a few photos from the project that I did with the Koala paper. So stay tuned for the review. So guys, I am going to be doing a little quick review on some Pearl Glossy photo paper. I know I'm real late to the game, but I wanted to just try it out and see what it looked like. And this is what it looks like before going in the printer. And guys, like, and the texture is like kind of satiny. It's one-sided though also, and it is 30 pounds, so it's a good weight. I printed off some chip bags for these, and I just really like how they came out. Like, the sheen is just really cool. And also doing coloring books like that as well. You know, you gotta try new stuff. I think this is really cute. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely bought 2 more packages of this paper, so I think this is something I might be adding in. I think I love it. And once you guys see it, like, if you can see this in person, like, oh, there we go. Like, the texture is really awesome. Wow. There's the paper again. Yeah, go get you some. And here's how it turned out. These chip bags came out so amazing. And at this point, I think this is the only paper that I'm going to use for my chip bags, because it just gives them such a realistic satiny finish, and you can even feel the texture on the chip bags. I mean, it just came out so awesome. And my client absolutely loved these chip bags, and I also did the coloring books as well. So yeah, go get you some Koala paper, y'all. Yeah, Koala, y'all did y'all thing with this. All products used will be in the description box below if you guys would like to try this out for yourself. If you do try it out, go ahead and drop your experience in the comments and let me know what you guys think about this paper. See you guys next time. Please enjoy this little montage of my coloring book that I made. And we'll see you guys next time.